guys, Supercar Collector here, and in today's video we have the Lamborghini SVJ. So here it is, the Lamborghini SVJ. All sealed, still in the box, and being picked up from the shops today. So yeah, let's get the wrapping off. And then we'll start getting into business. I always be careful while opening these type of models though, because I don't want to be damaging the boxes, especially on those exclusive models. Definitely not. And then these, you open the boxes like this, with like a blade or something, or a ruler, to not damage the boxes. And here it is. Let's get it out. Oh, look at this beauty. Absolute stunning model, this, man. Absolute stunning model. And there it is. Let's get some close-ups. So here it is, guys. The Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Been waiting for weeks to get one of these. In right-hand drive as well. Forgot to point that out. But just look how stunning this looks. I will get one of those display bases as well, guys, the one that turns eventually. But I haven't got the money for one of them yet because I keep buying cars and everything, so I will get one though. But just look how stunning that is. And I will be getting the white Aventador SVJ when they get it. They haven't got it yet though. They might be getting it next month. So, same as the Bugatti Vision GT. I'll be getting that. But I don't know yet. I don't know when. So just don't ask. Because I don't know when. And yeah, so let's get some pictures. So there we have it. The Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to get more content of the mini GTs and everything. And these beauties next. So yeah, guys, I'll see you soon. Stay safe to the Supercar Army. See you soon. Cheerio.